Having started its activities in 1990 to provide information technology services under the Robosis Computer and Electronic Services Company, ASİS developed back-office management software, which was a considerable requirement in the sector at that time, and focused on the fuel sector. After seeing that the products made significant contributions to the development of the sector and won considerable appreciation, Asis Automation and Fuel Systems Incorporated was established in 2000 and expanded its lines of activities to meet the requirements of the fuel sector. ASİS has over 300 employees, including those of the group companies, and over 7,000 on-site automation systems currently in operation. Being a leader in its sector with systems operating in over 8,000 facilities and filling stations, ASİS is the technological supplier of over 20 fuel distribution companies. ASİS has achieved becoming a brand not only in Turkey but also throughout the world and completed many projects for both the private and public sectors in Africa, the Middle East, the Turkic republics, Europe, and many other countries around the world. ASİS leadership in the sector is more apparent in the fuel and LPG sectors. The company has specialized R&D groups operating within ASİS since 2000, considering the software, hardware, and function requirements in the automation technologies. Basic designs of the automation systems are prepared by these R&D groups and included in the product and service ranges of ASİS for offering to customers by the sales and marketing units of the company. The production of each product group is handled by specialist individual production units. ASİS and some of the group companies also have the Technopark status and implemented many projects supported by TÜBİTAK, the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey. The ASİS Group companies and technologies developed at the production facilities are Mekser machinery, fuel and LPG pumps, meters, electronic control systems for fuel dispenser pumps. ASİS Automation Kocaeli University Technopark Branch. Tank automation probes, probe floats, probe control units. DTSys, Digital Recognition Systems, RFID reader technologies, communication modules, validators, payment terminals, PDA, and different types of converters. ASİS Electronics and IT Systems, vehicle tracking units, access control systems, personnel tracking systems, public transportation, and smart ticket systems. ASİS Automation Systems mainly operate in hazardous areas of explosive atmosphere status. Therefore, occupational health and safety and environment criteria are vitally important for ASİS. OSE criteria are involved primarily in the production stage. Products, components constituting the products, production personnel, and production methods are managed completely based on the ASİS procedures. Additionally, site applications, equipment, and technical personnel are also subject to the ASİS criteria. Particularly, the system equipment and components are certified at international ATEX standards. Quality management is given great importance at ASİS. Inspection and certification of the quality and safety of products and services of ASİS conform to international standards. And all products and services are subjected to analyses continuously. The quality of all products and services is certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001 Quality Management Systems. ASİS has attached considerable importance to its site operations in addition to the R&D activities and developed the required organization accordingly. Central and regional logistics warehouses have been established to achieve a broad service network with the capacity to provide services, including logistics, in 81 provinces and 950 towns throughout Turkey. ASİS is capable of providing services meeting all criteria according to customer requirements by means of this service network. Particularly working at filling stations that are considered hazardous areas, ASİS site teams receive advanced technical safety training to achieve a specific level of knowledge and experience in safety before they qualify for working on site projects. Training and on-site operations of the teams are continuously observed and evaluated by the quality units at the company's headquarters. Training requirements and improvements are identified by evaluation of the results of inspections and observations. The primary purpose is to maintain the existing quality and then to increase the efficiency and quality. ASİS provides services for its products and systems on a 7/24 basis through its call center, having state-of-the-art technology. Upon receiving a call, it is forwarded to the concerned personnel automatically through the switchboard according to the keys pressed by the caller. During the call, the system displays the details of the specific customer on the screen of the respective call center personnel. After receiving information on the problem encountered by customers, the call center personnel checks the details of the problem by accessing the system remotely. Call center personnel continues the call with the customer simultaneously and shares the information interactively. The personnel diagnoses and solves the problems instantly and informs the respective customer accordingly. Unlike the standard call center, ASİS call center acts as a solution and analysis center. In addition to the capability of solving problems instantly during a call, the call center personnel also transmits required data to the active support unit of the call center if any physical failures are detected in the systems. The active support unit personnel analyze the failure, organize the site teams and material and equipment logistics to provide on-site services at filling stations. After reaching the respective filling station, ASİS experienced site personnel first inform the station executive. Then the area where the repair and maintenance services are to be provided is secured prior to commencement of the required processes. Site service teams identify and repair the failures. The entire process from the moment of receipt of call by the call center to correction of the failure is automatically logged by the ASİS Automatic Failure Performance System, or AFP system. ASİS customers, who are fuel distribution companies, also have online access to the AFP systems platform to track all processes and procedures carried out under the technical support services. Technical support data logged by the AFP system are evaluated by the technical and R&D teams of ASİS to improve the systems and services, to reduce failure frequencies, and to increase the quality. Different technologies are used for inventory follow-up at filling stations all around the world. The most prominent one of these technologies is the tank automation systems, Regardless of the capabilities or quality of these technologies, the systems need to be correctly and accurately calibrated according to the tank in which they are used for measurement purposes to ensure accurate and proper operation of all such systems. With its vision to become an innovative company, ASİS started research and studies to create a more effective calibration technology in 2004. ASİS R&D teams continued their research to develop new, absolutely accurate and practical calibration technologies, and to make such technologies feasible. All these efforts have led to the development of the 3D Calibex. 3D Calibex is one of the most comprehensive technological projects ever developed by ASİS. The system consists of components involving advanced robot mechanics, mechatronics, state-of-the-art electronic circuit designs, integrated LEL device designs, laser and optics technologies, etc., as well as applications involving 3D modeling algorithms and data analysis software involving an advanced level of mathematics. The 3D algorithm technology used in the system creates a point space cloud, and the system accordingly creates a 3D mathematical model of the underground tanks. All internal and external dimensions, volumes, inclination angle, head radius, etc. of underground fuel tanks are detected digitally and visually, utilizing the modeling data on the basis of the point cloud. One of the most interesting features of the system is its capability of recreating the calibration table of a specific tank at any time using the data obtained from a special electronic inclinometer and owing to the created model in case of loss of calibration due to land subsidence, change of location of tank, etc. 3D Calibex is an invention which is patented by ASİS via international institutions. The system was secured by patent on April 23, 2009, after being subjected to patent search starting in 2007. The system has solved a critical technical problem using many innovations and is now under the protection of the PCT International Patent System as an invention. 3D Calibex is a unique system of its type in the world and is the most state-of-the-art and the one and only laser calibration technology with ATEX certification.